everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use the VLOOKUP function in Excel. VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup, and it's a super handy tool when you need to find data in a table or range by row. Let's dive in with a practical example. Imagine you have a list of products in one sheet and you want to find their prices from another sheet. Here's how you do it. First, click on the cell where you want the result to appear. Type equals VLOOKUP, open parenthesis. Now you need 4 things: the lookup value, the table array, the column index number, and the range lookup. For the lookup value, select the cell with the product name that you want to find the price for. Then add a comma. Next, for the table array, switch to the sheet where your data is stored and select the entire range of the table. Make sure to lock the table range by pressing F4. Add another comma. Now, for the column index number, count the number of columns from your selected table array where your answer lies. For instance, if the price is in the second column, you type 2. Add another comma. Finally, for the range lookup, type for an exact match. Close the parentheses and press Enter. Boom! You've now used VLOOKUP to find your data. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching.